Hey guys, Luis again here at the GMGC Manila 2017. This time I'm gonna be joined by John Derek of Team Unlibox or Unlibox Studios or Unlibox. Unlibox. And right now they're showcasing their game called Heroes Above, which we're seeing the trailer right here. We're in the gameplay. So John, do tell us more about what or who is Unlibox. Like, what do you guys do?
Well, basically, Unlibox is just a small team of Pinoy gamers who want to create our own games. So here we are.
You say small. Like, how small are you?
I'd say there's roughly around 10 of us.
10? Okay, so a group of 10 Filipino gamers wants to create video games, and right now the video game they have created, one of which is Heroes Above. Do tell us more about Heroes Above. Like, how do we play it? What's it all about?
Well, basically, Heroes Above is a asynchronous PvP mobile game that deals with squad battle strategy using ships that fly in the sky.
Oh.
Yes, so you have two ships that are slowly approaching each other, and during that time you have to deploy your units, whether they be range, melee, magic, or whatnot, to set up your offense or your defense. And the objective of the game is to attack your enemy's crystal while protecting your own.
Sounds familiar. What's the inspiration behind the game?
Well, the original inspiration was Plants vs. Zombies plus Clash of Clans. And then we found out that they also developed Clash Royale. So, there we go.
So, you get two teams or two players who summon their units. They're placed in ships that are moving towards each other, and they take on the central objective. That sounds very competitive. Is this planned to be a competitive title? Like,
actually, it's supposed to be a lighter version of what Clash Royale achieved.
Okay.
We made it asynchronous so that it wouldn't demand too much data usage for the part of the user. So it's actually you're fighting an offline AI that the user has programmed for their units, which you're also able to do when you're playing during downtime between battles. You can actually set up a queue on in what order your units will be deployed, in what position, what times they will evolve in battle, and what times you will use the ship attacks.
Oh, but can you also play against a live opponent, or
at the moment we're still considering if we should implement that feature.
Hopefully, it's going to be a competitive game after all. But the idea of asynchronous gameplay, you're setting up everything. Then if somebody is attacking you or wants to fight you, you have everything just automatically played. It's pretty amazing. How would you think its appeal would be, especially for let's say for Asian or the Filipino gamers?
Well, I imagine that the interest would be in developing your own personal dream team and your perfect defense. You're trying to make the best catch-all defense while also making the most versatile attack strategies possible for whatever defense that you might run into yourself.
I see. And is this game now out in the market?
It's currently on soft launch for the Philippines.
Oh.
So if you have an iPad or iPhone, iOS 8.1 minimum, you can download the game and try it for yourself.
How about for Android?
For Android, it's still in development.
But is there any plans regarding when the Android release is going to be? When's it going to live in the Play Store?
We'd like to see how it would perform first on iOS.
Well, yeah, that's real, and hopefully it will perform well. Lastly, do you have any social media pages, maybe a website that people can visit and check out on your games?
Yes, we have the Facebook page for Heroes Above. It's Heroes Above.
You can search Heroes Above on Facebook.
Yes. We also have a website, heroesabove.com and onlybox.com as well. And yeah, that's pretty much what we have for Heroes Above so far. We do also have another project in development, which is Evergrow. Yes, it's currently for PC. On Steam Greenlight right now. We're still in the voting phase, so if anybody likes puzzles, please check us out and vote for us if you like it.
You have a downloadable demo for Evergrow, right?
Yes, we do. We have a downloadable demo.
How close are we to that green light? And how many votes do we need right now?
Actually, we're still figuring it out ourselves, but it looks pretty good since we're kind of bumping up in the ranks every now and then for the past 5 days that we've submitted it. So we're cautiously optimistic.
We should be. Well, if you've heard it, if I were you, go to Steam right now, search for Evergrow, just vote. By the way, John, thank you.
Thank you.
Good luck with your game. Good luck with whatever you're doing right here. And again, don't forget to subscribe. Also visit on Facebook. It's www.facebook.com/PCFC Network, and visit our website at http://pacific.net.